Introducing the Teeter FitSpine X1 Inversion Table, designed to give you more control, more comfort, and real results in your journey to back pain relief. Discover how amazing your back can feel with the state-of-the-art FitSpine Flex Technology bed, designed to give you more stretch, flexibility, and relief. The smooth FlexTech bed encourages your spine to decompress and elongate better than on any other inversion table surface. And the 8-point floating suspension system moves with you, so you can flex, twist, and stretch with absolute ease. Plus, the unique tracks give you more options for enhancing your inversion experience. Attach the bonus lumbar bridge to help target the lower back and square misaligned hips. Place acupressure nodes anywhere on the tracks for targeted trigger point relief at 4 varied intensities. Grip and stretch handholds are built into the bed for more stretching and movement. Stretch assist handles feature a helpful angle guide and a large grip surface. From the moment you step into the ergonomic ankle system, you'll feel supported, comfortable, and secure. The Teeter Ankle Comfort Dial foot platform rotates to a high or low setting for a customized fit that enhances comfort and rotation control. The spring-loaded ankle closure secures your ankles with the simple pull of the handle. Ergo Embrace ankle supports are engineered to wrap comfortably around your ankles with thick foam to evenly distribute pressure and a hard outer shell to prevent accidental release and ensure security. Using the Teeter is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Just set it, lock it, recline and relax. Teeter Precision Balancing gives you total control with minimal effort, using simple arm movements to shift your body weight and return upright. Set your desired angle of inversion with the adjustable angle tether, or remove the tether and lock out in full inversion for advanced stretching and exercise. With the free Teeter Move app, you get subscription-free inversion coaching to help you feel better and move better every day. Access getting started tutorials, how-to videos, guided inversion sessions, and more. Rated up to 300 pounds user capacity with a 4-time safety factor up to 1,200 pounds, the Teeter X1 adjusts for users between 4 feet 8 inches and 6 feet 6 inches and easily folds for compact storage. With heat-treated high-gauge steel and key components, Teeter inversion tables are built to last, unlike some brands that cut costs with low-quality materials susceptible to fatigue. Teeter inversion tables are safety certified by UL and outperform the competition in comparison testing for quality, endurance, and rotation control. Look for the label, the only way to verify that a product continues to meet safety standards. Teeter makes the only inversion table FDA-registered as a Class 1 medical device. The Teeter is indicated for back pain, muscle tension, sciatica, herniated discs, and more. With Teeter, we're here to help you every step of the way. Assembly is frustration-free. All major components arrive pre-assembled, and you can follow along with 3D guided instructions via the Built app. So, if you're ready to live free from back pain, experience why over 3 million people have put their trust in Teeter, and how the X1 inversion table is truly built for the benefits to deliver real, life-changing relief. Feel better, move better, live better with Teeter.